everyone. I have Matthew right here, and we're on our outing finally. But we're just at a car wash. But I just wanted to give you guys something because I haven't been filming in a while. So I wanted to give you guys something. So yeah, me and Matthew were just sitting right here, chilling, waiting for my car to be washed, and then we're going to go to Walmart. So I might film in there. I don't know. But yeah. I might film in there. But yeah, we're not doing anything special. Let me show you his outfit real quick. This is his outfit for today. He has on this outfit shirt and bib. And the orange hat is monkey passy. And his little socks. And his mittens. So, yeah. That's all we're doing today. Getting the car wash, and we might go to Walmart later. So, yeah, be on the lookout for that video. Bye.